Okay, let's get into this deep wave bob, baby. Yes, I'm so cute, y'all. I'm really loving this. If you would like to see this, make sure you stay tuned, baby, because it is worth the watch. This wig is everything. Yes. What's up, Lucci gang? It's your girl Lucci V, and welcome back to my channel. I'm back today with another wig review. It will be on this nice deep wave bob by AngieQueen Hair. So if you would like to see how I did this complete install, my true feelings about this wig, then make sure you stay tuned to this video right here. But first, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Yeah, you don't want to miss out on my next videos, you know what I'm saying? Let's get it. Okay, you guys, so I don't know why the footage of me unboxing the wig got deleted. That was really weird. That doesn't really happen, but this is a 14-inch 4x4 closure wig. Excuse me, I'm not sure what density it is, but it feels really full, so I'm gonna say it's like 180 density. It did come with a wig cap and some lashes. That was what was inside the bag. So yeah, now let's go ahead and get into this. Okay, so I have cut the lace. I have put the adjustable straps to the tightest it could go. This is going to be a completely glueless install. As you can see, I do not have to add any type of adhesive, but you guys already know, baby, I love me some baby hairs. And like I told you guys before, when you do a completely glueless install, like baby hairs can really help with the longevity and the melt. I mean, even if you do a glue install, baby hairs just help all together. Let's me cut my baby hairs, y'all. I just love baby hairs, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie. I be trying to be like, okay, I want to show them something different. I'm gonna do an install without baby hairs, but guess what? I just love me some baby hairs. I'm not taking a big chunk. As you can see, I'm leaving them very thin. Y'all know sometimes I get real crazy with the baby hairs, baby. I really don't have a method to my madness. I just kind of, I don't know, sometimes I be wanting them like fuller baby hairs, sometimes I want thinner baby hairs. Today I'm kind of going for the thinner baby hair kind of vibe. I'm trying to make sure it look even. You don't want one side to be super full and the other side to be looking thin. That'd be a little weird. But I mean, whatever floats your boat, honey. So I'm just parting off where I want my baby hairs to be. And I like to make sure it looks even. I think this little piece right here is just a tiny bit thicker. Boom, okay. That looks about even to me. Also, when you're doing a closure, if you do baby hairs, how do I always end up losing my little clip? Okay, here we go. If you do baby hairs, it can help your closure look more like a frontal, just my opinion. So yeah, these are gonna be real thin, real simple, real natural baby hairs. So I'm cutting these kind of short. Y'all know I always be like cutting them kind of long, and then if I need to cut them, I'll do them shorter. But I know like the kind of look I'm going for with these baby hairs, and I want them to be like the short, like natural looking baby hairs. I'm going to be taking some Eco Styler gel. You guys know this is my favorite gel to use to lay my baby hairs. Sometimes when I do like a full glue install, I really like to use setting lotion for my baby hairs, but since this is one of the I don't even know how I want to do them. Like, I'm trying to tell y'all, like, I really don't be mapping it out how I want them, but I think I want a little curl to this because I haven't done that in a minute. So yeah, let's do a little curlage. Boom. Everybody always be like, all my friends always be asking me like, show us how you do your baby hair, show us how you, but I be trying to tell them like, it's really like, I really don't have like a method to my madness. Like, I just start doing them and then just decide as I'm going how I want to do them. This little piece is long as heck. Like, where'd you go around, baby? There we go. But yeah, it's really these little curls and swoops is what my friends always be asking me how I do it. But as y'all see, like, it's super easy. They just kind of like fall into place. Sorry, y'all. The longer pieces are getting stuck to the gel. Like the pieces I cut. Boom, there we go. Okay, and then boom. Like, every time I do my baby hairs like this with a closure, everybody always thinks I have a frontal on. Boom. There we go. So as you can see, real natural, cute little swirls. I think I'm gonna make this a little bit smaller. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, sorry, just kidding. All right, y'all, then I'm gonna take some L'Oreal Locket Spray, because we want them baby hairs to stay, for sure. And I'm going to blow dry it. And so you guys don't have to watch me blow dry. I'm gonna blow dry it until it's like almost completely dry. Then I'm gonna have my, oh, my edge band looks disgusting because it has a lot of makeup on it. But I'm gonna put my edge band on for about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how dry I blow dry my baby hairs. And I'll come back. Okay, so I am going to take some pressed powder. This is just some LA Colors Minimal Pressed Powder. I don't know, y'all, I think it was like $3 or something. This ain't nothing special. And I'm going to put it on my parts. Since I did not bleach the knots, this is necessary because, as you saw, my part was looking dark as ever. But I don't really bleach knots unless I plan on wearing the wig for a while, or I do a frontal. I usually will bleach the knots, but as you can see, not bleaching the knots, I'm good. You also want to go along this hairline here because the knots were visible right there, and now they're not. Do you see the difference? Yeah, stop playing. So yes, I'm going to cover all the knots that are visible. And then it's like I just bleach the knots. Stop playing. Okay, so I do have my hot comb heating up, ready to go, because you guys know I always say you need the hot comb to really slay your install, to make sure it's not looking crazy. Want to get it flat. And be careful, don't be like me and burn yourself, because I always burn myself when I use my hot comb. But I'm starting to get better. I'm starting to get a little better. Okay, I'm not burning myself today. Okay, cool. So you just want to go and make sure it's flat. Like I always tell y'all, we don't want the Humpty Dumpty little look. That's not cute, sister. Just want it to be as flat as possible, for real. Boom. There are some flyaways, but don't worry, we're gonna get to that in a second. I am gonna take a little water just because I want the curls to come back some. You see how I done brushed all through it. Not too much water though, because I don't want it to be like that completely wet look. But I do want the curl. You see how them curls coming right back? Yeah. I do want the curls to come back though. And get on them flyaways, cause baby, who told you to be doing all that? I am going to take a little bit of setting lotion. This is a lot of body. This is not whatever's in here. This is actually a lot of body that's in here. I'm not going to take a lot, but this is just going to hold the curls in place better. Because, you know, sometimes when it starts to dry, it starts to get all big. We don't want that. I do want it to get a little bit big, but not like real big. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. Just brush it through. Brush it on through. Oh, what you gonna do? Okay, I make a song up for everything. I'm sorry, y'all. Well, I kind of messed up my baby hairs a little bit. They weren't all the way dry when I started doing this step, so yeah. You always want to let them dry, but I was just being in a rush. Just doing too much. I'm gonna take some setting lotion and fix that. Not a lot. Real easy fix. Booyah. Booyah. Setting lotion actually makes doing the little curls and swoops easier. I don't know why. But yeah. Boom. Okay, so I decided my little curl in the front was not giving what needed to be gave. So yeah, I like to do this right here. This little step just to like push it up, push it back, or whatever you want to call it. I don't know, but I like for it to do that when I have my hair like this. Well, when I do a middle part. The hot comb just always comes in handy, child. Okay. So I kind of feel like one side is wetter than the other one. This side, yeah. So boom. Now I'm gonna show you guys what I do for the flyaways, because I know most people use a slick stick, and I keep saying every time I do an install that when I need a slick stick that I'm gonna order a slick stick, and I just never do. But this is what I do. Take some hairspray, boom, put it on the flyaways, and then just boom, and the flyaways be gone. The flyaways be gone. Just like if I had a slick stick, okay? Stop playing. Okay, you guys, so this here is the final look. I am loving this bob from AngieQueen Hair, baby. Yes. It was so soft, so easy to install, you guys. Like literally a 5-minute install, completely glueless. Did not need any type of adhesive whatsoever. Y'all know I love them quick 5-minute installs, baby. I did change my baby hairs from the little curl in the front because it just was not giving what needs to be gave. This looks way more natural. I did not bleach the knots, and as you can see, it melted effortlessly. I don't know. Why was that like feeling like a tongue twister? Like I can say Peter Piper pick, Peter Piper pick, Peter Piper pick, Peter Piper pick, Peter Piper. Like I can say that with no problem, but effortlessly. Why is that so hard to say today? Anyways, it was a very easy install, okay? It didn't take a lot of effort, okay? Yeah, but 5-minute install, you guys. I absolutely love this. No shedding. The lace was super easy to work with. I did not bleach the knots. Like I said, all I did was add a little bit of pressed powder on it. If you guys would like to get this same wig, the link will be down in the description below. Look, I'm trying to tell y'all, if you guys are like me and like the very quick and easy installs, this is that one for you. baby, let me tell you. Because like literally did not need any hairspray, any type of glue, anything like that, you guys. Like all I did was adjust the adjustable straps to the tightest they could go, and boom, popped it on my head, and it was like that. I do love that it's already cut in the asymmetrical type of thing. Like I love when the bobs are like that. That's my favorite kind of bob, asymmetrical. And this is already cut like that, because sometimes I usually have to, you know, go in and cut it, but this is already given what needs to be gave. Yeah, so you guys, let me know how you guys feel about this. I rate this a 10 out of 10. Have no type of complaints whatsoever about this, you guys. I absolutely love this wig right here. So let me know how you guys feel about this look on me. I did my makeup pretty different. You guys know I usually don't really do eyeshadow. I just do a heavy liner and highlight my tear ducts. But I did do a little, I don't know, I just knew I was gonna like this wig. So I was like, let me do something good makeup. But yeah, you guys, let me know how you guys feel about this look on me. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And thank you guys for watching. Let's go.